Welcome to the next exercise where we will create a cycle plot. Whenever you analyze data, let's say by years and months, these are the fields that we created in the previous exercise, the usual way of showing the data over time is just creating a time series chart starting on the left and ending on the right. But within this exercise, we want to change a bit the order we have in here, and instead of using year and month, I will place in here the order date, and instead of using the years and order date, I will place the month on the top of the list. Right now, instead of having the data from left to right, you create a small cycle charts. But the problem in here is that you cannot see them right now because the year 2014 for January is connected with a line with February 2011. So a trick in here is to use once again the month column that we created in the previous exercise on the columns shelf or on the legend shelf to create a legend which we actually don't need. We use it just to create the division into the series. Because the color doesn't play any role on this chart, we can change the color to something more default. And in here you can get to know another technique by using F4 shortcut, which is repeat the last formatting operation to make sure you create exactly the same colors for all of your data series. This chart allows you to quickly identify places where we have some kind of seasonality, like in November the results almost on all of the points are higher than the average, but you can also spot some micro trends like in the May for all of the years and December. The general rule for this chart is compare apple to apple, and this is what you can quickly analyze on this kind of chart.